Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to fix BMW X5 door handle, updated. Remove the door trim by prying the panel clips gently with a trim tool and lifting up. Keep track of screws and plastic clips in a small tray. Inspect the handle, linkage, and actuator for broken parts. Test the latch operation before reassembly. Reinstall the panel, reconnect the battery, and verify the handle works from inside and outside. Start by operating the door from both inside and outside to see what fails. If the lever moves but the door doesn't open, the linkage or cable is likely broken. If nothing moves electrically, check the actuator and fuses. Remove the door panel to visually inspect the plastic clips, ball sockets, and metal rods. Note any cracked plastic or missing clips so you can replace only what's necessary. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks that last through every greasy repair and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for garage work and long drives. I use them while wrenching on door panels and they stay comfy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing the interior door handle bezel and disconnecting the linkage rods. Swap any damaged clips or cables with replacements that match the original fit. If the actuator is faulty, unplug it and fit the new unit, then reconnect wiring and test. Reassemble the door panel carefully, ensuring clips align and seat fully. Finish with a full function check from both doors and lock positions to confirm repair success.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.